5 foods that kill cancer cells. Did you know that some everyday foods might actually help fight cancer? That's right. Research shows that certain natural ingredients contain powerful compounds that can support your body in the battle against cancer cells. Let's dive into 5 science-backed foods that you should definitely add to your diet. First up is broccoli, and not just any part of it. The florets, and especially the sprouts, contain sulforaphane, a compound that's been shown to reduce the size and number of cancer cells in lab studies, particularly for breast, prostate, and colon cancer. It's easy to toss broccoli into a stir-fry, smoothie, or just steam it as a side. Next, we've got garlic. This kitchen staple does more than add flavor. Garlic contains allicin, which has shown potential in killing cancer cells and slowing tumor growth in animal studies. It works best raw or lightly cooked, so try crushing a clove into your salad dressing or pasta sauce. Number 3 is green tea. Packed with catechins, especially EGCG, green tea is one of the most powerful anti-cancer beverages out there. Studies suggest it may lower the risk of cancers like breast, prostate, and colorectal. Try swapping your second coffee for a hot cup of green tea. Your body will thank you. Coming in at number 4 is turmeric, the golden spice with major healing power. Its active ingredient, curcumin, has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth and even trigger cell death in several types of cancer. A dash in your scrambled eggs or a turmeric latte is an easy way to get it in. And finally, berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. They're loaded with antioxidants and ellagic acid, which can help prevent cancer cells from multiplying. Grab a handful as a snack, blend them into a smoothie, or sprinkle them on your oatmeal. Remember, no food is a magic bullet, but eating more of these powerful plant-based foods can support your body's natural defense system. Stay curious, stay healthy, and don't forget to like and share this video to spread the knowledge. See you next time.